Namaste, all of you. How are you all today? Joining you live on the Mumbai group. I'm also a member here. I'm seeing this group for some years now. So first, girls, I want to say thank you to the founder members of such a wonderful group who have created this for the women. All the women here are so friendly and so helpful. I keep seeing them on WhatsApp and Facebook. They keep asking questions and the reply they get and the timings, it is so fast and so many women are ready to help. It really touches my heart, and I want to say that this is the real woman empowerment. This is what I like here. Too much spirit of giving and always giving, and also helping others, which leads to prosperity in our own life. If you will realize slowly and slowly, when you're kind to others and help others, the help again comes back to you as fast as possible. Yeah, Rupal, it's been a long time. How are you? So here, today I want to give you a short introduction here, because I think many of you don't know me here. So my name is Malika Sharma. I'm a life coach and a counselor. I'm a professional REBT CBT counselor. Plus, I'm a government recognized Niti Aayog mentor and counselor for colleges and schools in whole of India. And I'm an intuitive tarot card reader plus numerologist, wherein my purpose is in life to help the people achieve the happiness that they are looking for. Secondly, I do counseling for various issues, which are like depression, loneliness, marriage counseling, teenage counseling, anger management, etc., premarital, marital counseling. Here, I do this to help people to achieve the harmony back in their life. I also do suicide counseling, wherein till now I have helped at least 10 people, I'm happy to say, since I've started this, and they are living a very good life now. Here, I also have comprehensive personal sessions wherein you can achieve your goal as fast as possible, quickly, and how to make the right effort wherein you will achieve what you want and achieve the highest potential of your life. Here today, I want to talk about the challenges that we are facing in our everyday life. What are the challenges we are facing? Human beings are mostly very much affected by the relationships, finance, jobs, money, or health issues, and lots of other things. There are also everyday stresses, which are like challenges in our life. So why do I speak challenges? So here I want to say first thing is that we are always saying we have got lots of problems in life, this, that, ये नहीं हो रहा है. तो हमें यही करना है कि सबसे पहले हमें ये वर्ड ही बदली कर देना है. प्रॉब्लम नहीं बोलना है, हमें बोलना है कि वी आर फेसिंग अ सिचुएशन और वी आर फेसिंग अ चैलेंज. सो this is what we are doing, and as soon as we say this word, our mind changes and becomes positive. What does happen? That it happens because when we say problem is a very negative word. When we say okay, a situation where we have to do work or a challenge that we are facing, the mind thinks of solutions. Okay, we have to think fast about what solutions we can give this person, and the situation, how do we solve it as fast as possible. So immediately the energy changes and we accept it. Now, I'm going to tell you a short story, because here we are all lot of mothers here. I'm also a single mother since 21 years of age. So I have seen a lot of things in my life, and whenever I talk or whenever I counsel, I try to give you the techniques which I have personally used in my life, in parenting, in my job, in my daily life. So these techniques I tell you to help you the maximum to live your life to the best possible way. First thing, let me start the story. So have you seen the female giraffes? So when they give birth, they are very tall, as you must have seen. What happens is when the baby is born, it falls to the ground from a height and it loses its senses for a little short seconds. What does the mother do? The mother, she kicks the child. Can you imagine? She's kicking the child. Why? The child doesn't understand. What does the child do? The child tries to come to his senses and stand up. It has got wobbly legs. So the mother kicks it again to a little far ahead. The child goes a little far ahead and the mother follows it and stands on top of it and kicks it again because it wants the child to stand up on its wobbly legs only and become stable. The child does that. As soon as the child stands on its wobbly legs, it falls down. The mother kicks it again. The child doesn't understand what is the mother doing like this. What happens then? The mother again goes to the child and stands above it and kicks it again. The child now understands that if I don't do anything, I'll keep getting kicked. So I better do something about it. And it stands up and steady and it starts to run. As soon as the child starts to run, the mother follows it and it kisses the child and gives it milk. What happens now? The child is very happy, but it has learned its lesson. Why is the mother doing it? The mother is doing it to make him understand that, see, in this jungle there are many ferocious animals who may come after you when I'm not there. And at that time you have to save yourself. So keep running, keep walking, keep steady. So here's what I want to tell you one thing. Very interesting thing. What happens? When we are also living our daily life and facing so many different types of struggle, even in this COVID, many people have got lots of challenges, which maybe their jobs have gone, or maybe they are tired of living alone in the house. Maybe they've gone through depression because lots of things, their life has totally changed. So why is this happening? And sometimes even before this COVID and now after this COVID, so after unlock, now what challenges are we going to face now? So first thing I want to tell you is that never think that everybody is more happier than me and I'm the only one God is not taking care of. What is happening is, in this life, nobody is spared. Understand this very clearly. Nobody means nobody. आपने सुना होगा नाना दुखी संसार, यानी कि सभी को कुछ ना कुछ चैलेंजेस हैं, किसी को कुछ बड़े, किसी को छोटे, कहीं ना कहीं सबको कुछ ना कुछ दुख ज़रूर हैं. तो हम सब उससे हमेशा लड़ते रहते हैं. So we don't know what the other person is going through, so we should never be judgmental. So what now is, after this unlock, now the COVID has become a little less and slowly we are coming out, going back to the offices, returning our world to the normal, to the new normal, as you can say. But all have to face many challenges in their life. So how are we going to take care of? So I want to give you an example of this pencil. This pencil is like when life treats us very bad, what do we do? Sometimes it breaks us. It breaks us totally and we become depressed. We become very much down. यानी कि अगर मैं हिंदी में बोलूँ तो हम इतने निराश हो जाते हैं कि वो निराशा हमारी बहुत बड़ी शत्रु बन जाती है हमारे लाइफ में और हमें आगे बढ़ने नहीं देती. हम यही सोचते हैं कि अब तो हम टूट चुके हैं, लाइफ ने हमें इतने दुख दिए हैं कि अभी हम कभी ऊपर नहीं उठ पाएंगे. मगर ये सही नहीं है, हम ज़रूर ऊपर उठ पाएंगे. तो इसीलिए इस एग्जाम्पल से मैं आपको एक बात ये बताना चाहती थी कि जैसे वो किक्स है वैसे हमारे चैलेंजेस हैं. जैसे हमें पहला किक लगता है लाइफ में, कुछ ना कुछ होता है, हम निराशा से गिरते हैं, तो हमें खड़े होना सीखना है. यानी कि खड़े होइए, खड़े होइए, स्टेबल बनिए और दौड़ना चालू कीजिए। यानी कि आपको करना ही पड़ेगा ये। इसी से हम ये सीखते हैं इस लेसन से कि हमें खड़े होना है, हमें दौड़ना है और हमें हमेशा आगे बढ़ना है। ये नहीं है कि वी आर ऑल ह्यूमन बींग्स, सो वी आर गोइंग टू गेट डिप्रेस्ड, वी आर गोइंग टू गेट लोनली समटाइम्स में वी फील डाउन। सो what happens is that moment of time. Hello Vanita, hello, so many people are joining in, welcome all. What happens is we are all human, but the main thing is when you fall down, when life breaks you like this pencil, then you have to get up and you have to become steady first, and then you have to start walking and you have to start running. So what will you do? You will say now, okay, this pencil is broken, what are we going to do? So that's what I'm going to tell you. See, this pencil is broken, but you can take a sharpener and you have to sharpen it. You have to sharpen it and you have to make a point like this. How you'll do that? When you do that, that means you become more sharper and you're intelligent. If life is teaching you lessons, learn the lessons and become more smarter, more sharper for your life ahead. Because if you don't do that, nobody is coming to help you. And always remember, all the successful people in this world, they have faced many, many challenges, and that is why they have grown. So they don't just grow like this. They sharpen their pencils, become more smarter, become more intelligent, and then they go ahead. Because failure is the first step of success. That is the first thing you have to do whenever you face challenges. You have to get up and first make your mind calm and become determined. यानी कि आप दृढ़ता रखिए, थोड़ा पेशेंस रखिए, यानी कि सबूरी रखिए कि ज़रूर काम होगा। ये नहीं है कि अभी नहीं हो रहा है तो कल भी नहीं होगा। हम हमेशा एक नया दौर चालू करना होता है। तो हम सबसे पहले अपने से चालू करेंगे। ये कैसे चालू करेंगे? वैसे ही जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, ये माँ हमेशा ये सिखाती है अपने बच्चे को कि आप दौड़िए। तो देयर इज लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स लाइक इन अवर लाइफ, एंड देन यू नो what happens is with each kick is each challenge. So we always learn some lesson by each challenge that life gives us. The thing main here is that we have to face it and we have to learn the lesson and then go ahead and reach your goals. Never give up on your goals. Okay? And here I want to also say thank you to everybody. And here I want to give you a short gift, maybe you can call it as a gift, that I want to do a tarot question for all of you. You can WhatsApp me for the question. In the comment below I will be posting my links wherein you can get in touch with me and contact me immediately about that. And secondly, you can also call me up on the same number with a prior appointment and we can talk about the counseling if you need, or maybe if you need any help in anything. That's it. I want to help maximum people. My purpose of life is to help maximum people in this lifetime to achieve their highest potential. And I'm sure if I can do it as a single mother when I was 21 and fought and reached till here, and I have an amazing son now, I'm very happy. So even you can do it. अगर मेरे जैसी आम लड़की कर सकती है तो आप लोग ज़रूर कर सकते हो. इसीलिए मैं आपके कमेंट्स नीचे चाहूँगी कि आपको ये कैसा लगा, और आप मेरे YouTube में सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. और मैंने बहुत वीडियोस डाले हैं और बहुत सारी सीरीज़ डाली है, देखिएगा. और मैं डालती रहती हूँ. दिवाली के बाद भी मैं एक पेरेंटिंग सीरीज़ चालू करूँगी, उसे भी आप ज़रूर देखना. वो भी मैं उसमें काफ़ी टेक्निक्स आपको सिखाऊंगी जिससे कि आप काफ़ी कुछ कर सकते हो. एंड आई हैव दिस पर्सनल सेशन वेर इन यू कैन कम टू मी फॉर द स्पेसिफिक प्रॉब्लम्स दैट यू आर फेसिंग आफ्टर दिस लॉकडाउन और in your general life also, and I will help you solve it. And I'm also a spiritual mentor wherein I also help you reach the spiritual path if you want to. So I can help you in that also. I would love to talk to you and hear your comments and lots of wishes for you. And दिवाली की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं आप सभी को. आप बहुत एंजॉय कीजिएगा. पटाखों से आप प्लीज़ इस बार बैन ही कर दीजिए, क्योंकि पॉल्यूशन बहुत बढ़ रहा है. अगर आपको अच्छा लगे तो आप प्लीज़ पटाखों को बैन कर देना इस बार. थोड़ा हम पॉल्यूशन कम करेंगे तो हमें भी अच्छा लगेगा. दिए जलाइए, लाइट्स जलाइए, कैंडल्स जलाइए और बहुत खुश रहिए, खुशियाँ मनाइए परिवार के साथ में और हमेशा स्माइल करते रहिएगा. चाहे कुछ भी ज़िंदगी आपको चैलेंज भेजेगा, सबसे पहले आपको स्माइल करना है और कहना है कि आई एम देयर, आई विल फाइट इट आउट, आई कैन डू इट, इट्स ईजी. So, cheers to all the wonderful girls out here, and I'm hoping to hear from all of you. Please write to me all your questions, okay? All your questions on the WhatsApp, and I will try to answer as many as I can. I'll answer each one because this is the Diwali gift that I'm giving you. So, please connect with me on all my social media. The links are down there. Thank you very much. It was lovely talking to all the super girls here, and keep helping each other always, and be kind to someone today because you don't know what the other person is going through. So cheers and have a lovely evening ahead and a lovely Diwali. Thank you all. Happy New Year also. But I'll keep coming and we'll keep talking. Thank you all once again. Love you all. Bye.